Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, as police keeps a watch on Dry Harbour, St. Elizabeth there in Lacovia following the shooting death of the 59-year-old farmer Salomey Williams. We're going to talk about it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to expand and let you understand what's really going on in our island on this particular case. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button. We're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Update on the unfortunate and hideous murder of the St. Elizabeth farmer in Dry Harbour, Salomey Williams. As you see on screen there, that's couple footage of her in February. Unfortunately, she was laying to rest, one of her niece. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to expand what we're finding out in the news. Police are saying that it appears to be part of a lottery scam that caught this innocent farmer up in the situation. Now we are looking through the news here down in Newmarket. This is relating to the case on Sunday morning. It appears that two young men were gunned down at a party. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old, Bavaru Durant of Braze River in the parish. Commanding officers in charge of the St. Elizabeth Police Superintendent Dwight Daly says in an incident occurred during about 1:40 a.m. The reports that Mr. Durant was sitting in a black BMW with a male passenger when a lone gunman approached the driver's side, pulling a firearm and shooting Mr. Durant in the face and his upper body. The other occupant in the car was shot in the right leg while bystanders were hit in the right side. The police was summoned and they were taken to the hospital where Durant was pronounced dead. Now you're looking at Mrs. Salomey Williams of Dry Harbour, and what is being speculated by the Lacovia and the Santa Cruz and the St. Elizabeth police there is that it appears that it's probably some of Mrs. Salomey relatives that did this. It's not her. She has no idea what's going on. So they're doing the same thing over and over again, ladies and gentlemen. You can't catch Kwaku. It appears that they're going for Kwaku shot all the time, ladies and gentlemen. This is appalling because I, man, seeing this picture over and over, the burnt out car. I have passed Dry Harbour. I've been in this same yard recently, to tell you the truth, February, when Miss Salomey was putting down her young niece that passed. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen, that we are murdering and killing each other, innocent people, for scamming money, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say R.I.P. to Miss Salomey family. My condolences to the Dry Harbour, the whole lane of Dry Harbour, Lacovia, St. Elizabeth, Cornwall, because I know Miss Salomey was a well-known farmer, a well-known distributor of the agents from St. Elizabeth to Kingston. It is unbelievable. I've heard many reprisals have occurred already. Probably about 7 people have been slew in regards to this particular, heinous crime. And I'm calling on my families, my friends, my brothers, my sisters, my agent, the whole St. Elizabeth, to let cooler heads prevail. Ladies and gentlemen, turning the cheek, I'm down believing that, but an eye for an eye is going to leave a lot of Jamaica. Whole of Jamaica are going to have one eye if we deal with the eye for eye thing. So, may I ask the people them, Jano, for just, allow the law to solve what's really going on, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari soldier. My condolences to the families there in Lacovia. My condolences to the families you know, all of Braze River. You know, my condolences to all the Salomey, all the Williams family. John, no, this hurt family. Hurt. You can't believe them take out this Empress. The Rasta Empress is a good farmer and a good distributor of the ancients. Like I say, ladies and gentlemen, this is shocking, ladies and gentlemen. Really. Go ahead and leave your comments, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings. Yes, season greetings.
Hey, Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're running